Have you heard about beam and block? Every dream home, every school, every apartment block. It all starts with one decision. How strong will your slab be? For years, builders at the coast have struggled with the same old problems. Slabs that take weeks to cure. Cracks that appear too soon. Skyrocketing labor costs and wasted materials. But it doesn't have to be this way. At Easy Slabs Kenya, we bring you the future of construction, beam, and block slab technology. A system trusted worldwide, now right here in Malindi. With Easy Slabs, your project moves faster. Slabs are ready in hours, not weeks. You save on labor, you save on materials, you eliminate delays. The result: strong, clean, perfectly finished slabs that don't crack, don't sag, and stand the test of time. This technology is ideal for any project, from family homes and modern apartments to schools, offices, and commercial spaces. Builders across Kilifi, Mombasa, Lamu, and beyond are already switching because they've seen the results. Durability, speed, and true value for money. And when you choose Easy Slabs Kenya, you don't just get slabs, you get professional support, on-time delivery, and peace of mind that your building is in safe hands. Our offices are in Malindi, and we deliver across the entire coastal region. Call or WhatsApp us today on 0726448144 and follow us on social media here Easy Slabs Kenya. Easy Slabs Kenya, faster, stronger, smarter. Because every great building deserves a stronger slab.
Thank you.